What's going on, everybody? We are back. You will notice that I am wearing the same outfit that I was in the last video. That is because I actually decided midway through the last video to actually split this up into two separate segments. Just thought it would make a little bit more sense, do kind of an intro video and then an expectations video separately. So that is what we are doing today. What am I doing with this channel? Why is it here? Why did I start it? What are we going to be seeing? Things like that, right? All great questions. Thank you all for asking. First and foremost, I'm going to ask you guys to let me know what you want to see. If there's something that you want to make sure I get to, whether it's an event or you want to see me do a certain install or anything like that, feel free to shoot me a message. I'm always open to taking advice for content ideas. I want to bring you guys stuff that you will enjoy and that you like to watch. That is my goal. The reason I started this channel is because there are a lot of guys that are out there on YouTube. I really love watching their content, and I love watching their builds, things they do to their cars, things like that. And there's not anybody that I've found that goes to events and does installs and things like that the way I want to see them personally, like the way I would do them. So I just figured that if that was the case, and that's kind of what I'm thinking, that there's probably some of you guys out there that are thinking the same thing. Things that we're going to be doing this year. We're going to be hitting Texas 2K next month. We're going to be hitting a couple of streetcar takeover events. We're definitely going to be doing a lot of cars and coffee. We're going to be doing Supers in Vegas, SEMA. We're going to be hitting PRI. We're going to be doing some install videos, and we're probably even going to catch a hill climb. And hopefully, fingers crossed, maybe we can even hit Tokyo Auto Salon and the GTR World Cup next year. That would be sweet. It's going to be really awesome. I'm really excited to be bringing you guys this footage. So some of the longer events where you're going to wind up with 14, 15, 16 hours worth of footage. What I'm probably going to do is do the day of videos and then also do a longer, maybe 30-40 minute video about a week to 2 weeks after the event's already done and over with, just to kind of give you guys some more content, more stuff to watch, and things that we would not be able to see in a condensed period. So this is super awesome. I'm really excited for this channel. I think we're going to be doing some really great stuff. So let me know what you guys think. Are there any events that you want me to hit up? Are there any install videos that you'd like to see on the Supra? Leave me a comment in the section below or shoot me a message directly. I would love to hear from any and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. I'm really excited to see where this channel goes and to bring you guys awesome content and to go to some great events and really be able to go and show you guys things from a little bit different perspective. So once again, thank y'all very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all very soon in the next video. Catch you next time. I probably should have rehearsed this, honestly, before I just started recording 11 minutes of me friggin' staring down at the phone and up at a camera, down at a phone and up at a camera. That would have been smart, but I'll